Hello, welcome to our second part of the course Yantras for Chakras. This course is also part of the Sacred Geometry in Neurographic Art series. Today, in our second part, we're going to draw the second sacral chakra, Yantra. The sacral chakra means that it's located in the area of the sacrum, which is a triangular human body at the base of the spine. Its Sanskrit name is Svadhisthana. It means as dwelling in the place of the self, as typically it's translated. A balanced, well-functioning second chakra leads to feelings of wellness, abundance, pleasure, joy. The element of the second chakra is water, and this implies cohesiveness, fluidity. This energetic center is supposed to govern the motion of water and liquid in our body. The energy of this chakra relates to enjoyment, freedom, creativity, pleasure, and money. This chakra is considered the seat of our emotions. The signs of the functional second chakra on the emotional level. It's our ability to express ourselves creatively and in an intimate way. It's allowing ourselves to play and experience pleasure in a healthy way. Respecting one's body and taking good care of its needs. On the mental level, this chakra enables us to be flexible in changing environment. Also, our desire to communicate with others and oneself. When this chakra is out of balance, a person may experience emotional instability, fear of change, difficulties experiencing pleasure, and as well depression and even addiction. But the focus of the second chakra, and it applies to the theme today, is creativity. Creativity, when we think about creativity, is typically something to do with art, sculpture, visual arts, writing. But we create when we find a new solution to a problem. We're using our creative energy when we take raw materials and either they're physical or mental and transform them into something new and productive. There are many various ways of expressing creativity. For women in particular, it implies to creating something practical. Like, for example, cooking, sewing, raising children, gardening, renovation. And it's on a visual level. Yes, you can see this mandala and yantra. The Svadhisthana chakra is associated with the color orange, and it has 6 lotus petals. The energy of this chakra is feminine, passive, lunar, and you can see the crescent moon like a smile. As the name suggests, this chakra is located in the low belly, in the pelvis area. And the moon-shaped crescent is the yantra of this chakra. And the relationship between water and the moon is shown by the crescent, this crescent, within the white circle. It's often drawn white. As you can see, there are also the syllable Vam as a seed mantra is located in the middle, and there are other 6 more letters of the 6 words that relate to these attributes of this chakra. This is just for your reference. We are not going to use them. Now, let's begin our drawing.